Hey guys, this is Dimitri with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do a factory or a hard reset on your Apple AirPod Pro Max headphones. So to perform this hard reset, you do have these two buttons that are located on the right side of the headphones, and at the bottom you do have this little light indication. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and press and hold down both of these buttons for 10 seconds or until this white light starts flashing a solid white color. So we're going to go ahead, press and hold both buttons, and we're going to hold them. It's going to flash, light up yellow, and then once it starts flashing a solid white light, once we get the flashing light, that means the headphones have completed its reset and they are ready to be paired to your device. That is how you do a hard reset or a factory reset on your Apple AirPod Pro Max headphones.